Alright, so here we have my Suzuki King Quad 750, and as you can see, I am missing my battery. So today I'm going to put in a brand new battery. Original battery, 10 years old, was acting up on me the other time I had it out. So I just put everything back together roughly with the terminals so stuff wouldn't get separated. So I'll just get everything ready to go here. But basically, when the fan kicked on, the four-wheeler would die, and when you're in reverse, sometimes it would die too. So I tested the battery, is the original battery, and no good. So just gonna go ahead and install the new battery here. When I took the old battery out, I already cleaned the terminals as a part of my troubleshooting. So we'll just get everything out of the way. New battery's already been charged and it's already ready to go. So we'll drop it in. So I'll go ahead and get the terminals put on here. I'll have to slide in the blocks. Got the negative slid in, and you're going to need a little cheater piece to give it some elevate there. Screw it in and then elevate it and unscrew it. So there, I have it screwed in and elevated. There's a negative anyways. And now once it's tight, you can pull the cheater piece out, and we'll move over to the positive. So same thing, we're just going to separate, carefully slide it in, screw it in to get it up, and then slide the cheater piece back in. So another symptom too was the power steering light was coming on too. Pull the cheater piece out. Tighten her down. Just try to slide the cover back over the positive on the battery. And next step, before we put the battery holder back on and secure the EPS fuse, will be to start her up. So get my key out here, see if she'll go.